1-9. Nakaupo na lang yun dito. Naka-set na dito.
But a defense as well. He's playing with a lot of confidence right now.
Not sure about this free throw. It was needed to this ball.
May basketball ng babae pa lang yan.
About to shoot for the women in white. Casana open over De La Rosa to miss. Laguna will get it across. That's a veteran move, I should say, against the rookie Laguna.
Pastrana showing who the best is in this game. That slight bomb. You can really see Ken Pastrana sending that foul to the referees.
I absolutely love it. That's a veteran, such a smart veteran there against the rookie.
Ano yung facial reaction ni Ken Pam?
Ayaw. Sabi sa akin nga i-try. Ako maglo-load sa akin. Diba? Pasa mo sa akin dito.
Sabi na kung problema mo, will be right back nakalagay doon, pala ko will be right back. Hindi ko intindi ko. O, try mo.
Hindi nga, ipasa mo nga muna sa akin. Hindi ko sa pulito.
Sandra de la Cruz. They will go to Casey.
Babaw dyan!
Sherman read that perfectly. Broad.
Sigurado.
Sherman